Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do the Spider-Man rock. Rocking is, well, it's an amazing movement that will help heal and restore your body. So if you're not rocking, you're not rocking, but you should. And rocking is, just back and forth here. And the Spider-Man rock is kind of fun to do, and it looks cool like Spider-Man, and it's very similar to the adductor rock. So the adductor rock is putting your leg out like a kickstand, and that's where we're working on those groin muscles, or your adductors. But groin just sounds way more fun to say. And it's less syllables than adductors, unless you're from where I'm from, and then it's almost the same syllables. Groin muscles. Anyway, so this is the adductor rock, but the Spider-Man rock, what we're gonna do is we're gonna soften that knee. The leg's still out like a kickstand, but now we're soft like Spider-Man, and we're gonna actually rock in circles. And this, well, this feels good, or it can, up and through here, in the back of the leg, and the groin, especially when we come this way, and if we lean in a little bit, you'll feel a little bit more lengthening sensation in your leg. And then, obviously, as we come away from it, kind of takes that lengthening away, but we start to rotate in a little bit, especially when we're up here and go this way. The leg starts to want to rotate in internal rotation, and that actually feels kind of good up in the groin area also. But we're also putting a huge kind of load on the opposite shoulder here. But this, I'm going to soften that leg. This is a fun way to rock, and you can even use this leg to push back to the other side. So you come in towards it, you lean in, get that nice little lengthening sensation all through here, and then you can actually use it to push away. I think you can enjoy this. And it looks cool, like Spider-Man, I think. I'm gonna watch this afterwards, and you can, we'll judge together. Anyway, give that a shot. Great for the groin, adductors. Great for loading the shoulders, which actually helps strengthen the rotator cuffs, helps your stabilizers learn how to stabilize a little bit more, challenges your body. When you challenge your body, you're asking it for more, and it gives you more. What is the more? More strength, more mobility, more expression, more life, more vitality. Again, Spider-Man rock looks kind of cool, I think. Give it a shot, let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.